Hey guys, how you doing? Matt Druin here. I'm actually at my property at 767 South Avenue. We have a one-bedroom apartment coming up very soon. I'm going to take you on a quick tour through the apartment, and I absolutely love this. It's a one-bedroom. It's on 2 levels, and some of the highlighting features I want to show you guys. We have ample amount of parking in the back of the building, which is gold. Off-street parking is gold for Southwedge residents, as we all know. Key highlights of this apartment is there is private entrance, which is great. You don't have any awkward encounters with your neighbors in the common area hallway. We also have in-unit laundry. We actually have an all-in-one unit here that washes and dries your clothes. I'll show that to you in a bit. We also have an updated kitchen, updated bathroom. We have a huge walk-in closet for the bedroom, and also really a lot of natural light coming into this unit as well. So stay tuned and we'll take you on the inside. Okay, come on in. Here we actually walk right into the kitchen. As you can see, we actually have a really good sized kitchen for a one-bedroom apartment. You have full-size appliances here, full-size refrigerator and stove, gas appliances. This is great for somebody who's looking for as a cook. Also, we have an eat-in kitchen area. All right. And we also have, that's our laundry area right there. So you don't have to go into the basement, no fumbling around with coins or anything like that. It is really a great feature to have in this apartment. Plus, the advantage of having an all-in-one washer dryer is that you can throw your clothes in the morning, and then when you get home from work, they're already cleaned and dried. You just have to fold them. So we're gonna take a quick run upstairs and show you the bedroom and the living room. Okay, so we're gonna go up to the living room area. Great thing about this apartment home is it does have all vinyl replacement windows. Plus, you have vaulted ceilings. So this is a small little living room here, very cozy, but the vaulted ceilings definitely make it look bigger than it actually is. And another advantage of having it in this duplex 2-level fashion is that you don't have any neighbors above you, you don't have any neighbors below you. So it's like having your own townhouse. So we have a bathroom here. Full-size tub. Being so close to the University of Rochester, this is another great feature as well, is you have a little study nook area, which is perfect for a desk or a small study, or a little reading nook as well. And we have this wonderful closet right here. Actually has quite a bit of space. As you can see, it goes way back this way. You have a ton of storage as well. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have a desire to schedule an appointment to view this lovely apartment home, please give us a call or shoot us an email and we'll get you right in. Again, this is available very soon. This is a very desirable area as well, so don't sleep on it. Schedule your appointment today.